Hello and welcome to GetDoorsDirect.com. My name is Andy. If you're looking for a great, hassle-free, affordable way of buying commercial, garage, and roll-up doors online, then you've come to the right website. Is your home ready for some curb appeal? Save and get ready to transform the look of your home with a head-turning garage door. Or maybe you need the next generation state-of-the-art, high-performance rolling doors. In addition, we have a complete line of quality, tough commercial door systems that will withstand that daily beating. Now, no matter what you need, GetDoorsDirect.com will help guide you through the process of selecting from various styles, sizes, and options. We are here to help you. When you call us at 1-877-357-DOOR, that's 1-877-357-3667, a member of the Get Doors Direct team will answer any of your door questions in a friendly, no-hassle way that really makes you feel more comfortable about your purchase. So don't hesitate. Give them a call at 1-877-357-DOOR, or you can even order online by visiting their website at www.getdoorsdirect.com. Thanks for watching.